Okay, we are going to go back and talk about Hurricane Sally because it is a significant factor. Let's show you some of the weather that's going on in the southeast right now. Alabama still under the gun. This system, after making landfall this morning, still a very slow mover, and that's been a big part of the problem. So much rain associated with it. There you can see the landfall and how the system is still holding together in that tropical storm hurricane shape. It's a tropical storm now, but a lot of rainfall through central Mississippi. There you can see Montgomery, Alabama, and Dothan. Macon, Georgia is starting to see some pretty significant rain. There is Sally. Winds down to 45 miles per hour. Again, last night they were up to 100 miles per hour. And slow movement across Georgia through the day on Friday as well. So, how much additional rainfall? Again, some people already have up to a foot of rain, and Atlanta could see 4 more inches of rain. Raleigh could see 4. Greensboro, North Carolina, could see about 5. More than 5 in Charlotte, and Anderson, South Carolina, could see more than 4 inches of rain. Okay, back to local weather now. Let's take a look at Beyond KSBY photos. By the way, I'm TV Dave Hovde on Facebook. We have some fun over there. We get value-added weather content. So head over there, check out these pictures, submit your own, and please hit like and follow so you can be part of the community conversation. Thanks again, Cecil, for your picture, and my friend John McKinney in Paso Robles also showing us a beautiful shot using that hashtag B on KSBY. 86 in Tascadero, 95 Paso Robles, 71 Santa Maria, 87 Santa Ynez right now. Temperatures at the beaches cooler. The marine influences there. We don't have robust wind flow. Let's take a look at some of the daytime highs. In Santa Maria, 78, 87 in San Luis Day, 99 Paso Robles, 87 Santa Barbara, 79 Goleta, Cuyama 95, 62 Morro Bay, 60 Pismo Beach, and 97 at Santa Ynez. What is the trend? And the answer is down until we get to Monday. But take a look at Tuesday and Wednesday. See temperatures creeping back up. I'll explain why coming up. The interior valleys, again, today was nearly 100 degrees. Now, there will be a bit of a cooling trend. I wouldn't call it dramatic, but temperatures do start arcing back toward normal for the weekend, a little below the average on Monday before working back up the middle of next week. And there's not a ton of change at some of the beaches. So you can see how temperatures will start to fade a bit over the weekend and Monday. Some significant marine layer is possible before we start warming on Tuesday and Wednesday. There you can see the marine low clouds pushing back in tonight, but then quite a bit of high cloud cover and a frontal passage as we get Thursday into Friday as well. There you can see how it moves through with breezier conditions for the weekend. And that's one of the reasons we're going to see a little less in terms of that smoky haze. So an area of low pressure moves through the Pacific Northwest, then what we call zonal flow through the weekend and early next week. Then we see a ridge building at the midpoint of next week. That's going to start cranking up the temperatures across the board. We'll have to watch that. There are some extended models for the beginning of October that suggest we could see a pretty significant ridging event. That would mean potentially warm and dry conditions. We'll have to watch that carefully. 90 Paso, 84 San Luis, 87 Santa Barbara tomorrow, 91 Santa Ynez, 90 in Solvang. In the 5 cities, you're looking at lower 70s again, the North Coast in the upper 60s and low 70s. But again, the 5-day forecast trend is down. The winds pick up for the weekend, which will help clear out some of that marine haze and cloud cover we've seen so much of. You can see how Paso Robles temperatures dropping into the 80s and San Luis Obispo pushing into the 70s by Monday. More at 6. We'll see you then. Back to you.